What is good, you wild family? It's your boy Big Al Kicks, aka the You Wild General, and today, man, they came in. I had exclusive access on the Reimagined 3s. Let's go ahead and unbox these things so we can get the same reaction. But as you see the box that it came in, man, I ripped the label off, but it actually came like this. Come on, Nike, what's going on? I'm gonna get up and unbox these things, man. And we all gonna take a look at these bad boys together. I've been waiting on these. But this is some weak boxing that they put on these. Oh man. Shout out to Brandon with this handy dandy Ontario knife company. I've been having this knife for a long time. And yes, we got those Reimagined things, man. Oh, the box. Oh man, I'm excited. That was some raggedy packaging, but man, excuse the camera shake, guys. We got the Reimagined 3s, the lost and found 3s. Similar, the same box. It's similar like the lost and found Jordan 1 box. Got the same fading, but we've seen that pair already. Go watch that video if you haven't, but man, we got these right here. Let's go ahead and read the label. Air Jordan 3 Retro. And the color code is Summit White, Fire Red, Black, and my size 10. And these did retail for $210. Like I was explaining, they was giving out exclusive access to people who failed to hit on the free throw line pair and the shot drop that happened a couple of weeks ago. So thank you, Nike, for considering me to get these. I really, truly appreciate it. I need these in my life. Thank you. All right, formalities out the way. The box. Uh-oh. Yeah, I know I gotta hit these with the boom. Here comes the boom. Boom. Yes, sir. Classic alert. These are classic. More classic than classic, man. Got to have these. Just look at them. Man, this is a dope win. This is the, well, let's go back to the box. This is the inside. It has the weathered look, like you found these in the attic. Still going with the lost and found theme. That is the top. Let's see if there's anything inside of the box. Just have the elephant print paper. And ooh, got something else in here. Okay. Got the information poster, and that is weathered as well with the red Jumpman. And it shows the text and specs. The heel air sole unit, the sock liner, the midsole. And this is cool. I don't think this doesn't have the price stickers or nothing like that on the inside of the box, but it does have the weathering as well. Classic cement print. But man, I am excited. I'm probably too excited. Several reasons. One, this is my Grail Jordan 3. That's reason number one. Number two, I never had any white cements, not the 88s, not the other ones with the Jumpman in the back. None of the above, man. Never had any of them. This is a very historic shoe. When I look at this shoe right here, I always think about that picture of Eazy-E rocking the jacket that go with him. This is the 1988 dunk contest. This is the 87-88 season. A lot of iconic things were done while Jordan wore these. If you know what some of the stuff he's done other than the dunk contest, drop them in the comments, man. Blow those comments up, yo. That's how iconic this shoe is. This probably is the most iconic Jordan 3. I do like the Fire Reds. I have them upstairs, but the Fire Reds might be my favorite. Nah, this, I always wanted a pair of white cements. I have the black cement somewhere up in here. I'm not about to dig them out, but these right here, man, let's go ahead and talk about them. I know this was a long intro, but man, it has the nice white tumbled leather, flimsy OG orange Nike Air tag, elephant print. Now I've heard that some of these were made in different factories, so they look different. I like that summit white patina they put on the midsole for the age look. Of course, the classic visible air unit, and the other half of the midsole that wraps around the heel painted in black. Pre-oxidized Nike Air heel tab, man. It gets no more classic than that. Some more of this elephant print going around it. Same thing on the medial side. As you can see, my pair has some imperfections. Has a flare right there. Perforations on the ankle for breathability. This doesn't have all that padding like the other retros we got recently. Red behind the tongue, OG style. Move along to the front, that thin cut of elephant print going around the toe. Smooth leather behind that, and you can see that little widow's peak there, but you can see the leather. These are nice. Perforations on the tongue for breathability. You have your multi-lace loops, so you can get a different customized fit. Nice summit white laces. Smooth leather on the tongue. Fire red Jumpman. Red insole with the black Nike Air. I was gonna take it out, but it's a little sticky. I don't feel like fumbling with it and all of that. Let's look at the outsole. Classic gray Nike right here in the middle. Red at the top near the toes. Classic sneakers. So get in those comments, man. Let me know what you think about these. But enough wasting time and talking about it. Y'all know what we do around this time. Kicks get rocked every day around here, B. Come on, man. We're going to take it back to 88. Put these on feet. And let's take them to the streets. OG style, man. See y'all in a second. All right, guys. We're ready to put these bad boys right here on feet. See how we do these. They're so pretty, man. I almost don't want to put them on. Okay. Okay. Got me feeling like it's 88 again. Let's do a little tie action. You know, just for the video, I'll probably rock them loose when I do the official wear. But again, man, go your true size. And Jordan 3s. This leather will crease and it will break in pretty easy. I got these windbreakers from Foot Locker. And you can kind of adjust them right here with the cord. I think it's a good match. The Summit White matches the midsole on them. It's just a fit idea. Give you that classic back shot. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. Is this shoe of the year or Jordan retro of the year? I would like to think so. My unbiased, this is the best Jordan retro in my opinion, this year. You know, it's gonna be people that like the hype stuff, and you're entitled to like what you want. I don't throw hate up. I don't throw hate at anybody that likes what they like, because I'm a big advocate for that. But for me, this has to be Jordan release of the year. So many iconic moments, like I expressed earlier. The fact that they gave it to us in this reimagined packaging, that old faded look, I'm definitely feeling that, and I'm loving that. Let me know what y'all think. Give y'all a quick bird's eye. Have to turn the camera upside down. Put a little light on these jokers. There we go. Yeah, these. Oh, these are cold-blooded. These are good, man. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give your boy a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And that is right, ladies and gents. Bang that notification bell. Turn those post notifications on so you don't miss a beat. You know the motto by now. I'm wild. You wild. We all wild, baby. Stay fly. Stay fresh. But most importantly, stay safe. It's your boy, Big Al Kicks. Sign on out of here. Peace.